Hello guys, welcome back to our afternoon session. Welcome back. So guys, what we have done today after our early morning session, I just wanted to update you that our silver position, which we opened this morning, hit take profit, and our profit is $1,280. It's a quite nice profit which we gained. I'm glad about that. Then currently we have still our DAX position from 2 days ago. DAX is not really moving yet. It's very slow, very low volatility. It's dropping a bit. The general overall downtrend is visible, but not really a big movement throughout the day due to the holidays in the States. We don't see a real big movement here. So then Italy 40, as you know, we have two short positions on Italy 40. No. We have two short positions on Italy 40, and shortly before we finished our first session, we opened our second trade on Italy 40, again a sell position, because I expect also here the market to move downwards, and I wanted to get the profits out of this movement. And indeed our profits reached at some point around $400, which was quite okay, but I still want to keep it a bit longer to get a bit bigger profits out of this position. So our oil position, also on oil, there is very less volatility today, not much to get, unfortunately, but now it started to move in our direction. However, I will focus now in the afternoon on gold and on silver. It is just a very slow market right now. It's very slow, but still I want to try. And now I will open my next trade. I will go again short on silver. I just went short on silver, and my take profit on silver is, let me see, where was my take? It was at 16, and I will go now to 15.94, no, 97.5. This is my take profit here, and it's around a profit of around $700. It's not a big profit, but $700 is a good start. I see a very strong downtrend also here, and that's why I went short. And let's see how it will develop. Let's go back. Due to the holidays, there's not really a big movement today. I mean, you see it on the hourly chart, how small the movements during 1 hour are. It's a bit boring to be, yeah, it's a bit boring when there is not much volatility on the European assets, on the indices. Italy 40, we have already a position. We have 2 positions, so I don't want to open another one here. Let's see on gold what's going on. On gold, okay, on gold, I expect the price to go to 1,257.15 and then to turn. That's why I will put a sell limit. I will put a sell limit, guys, on gold. I want to sell it when the price reaches 1,257.50. Let me see. Then I want to sell. This is what I want to do. I just opened another one. Hello, guys. Guys, I see you started with us right now. Nice, nice, nice. Hello, Patrick. Hello, George. I hope you had. Hello, Ellen. Welcome. Ellen, you are losing today. What you are? You had with me the Italy 40 position, right? Don't worry. It is right now still. I was telling you. You copied DAX. DAX was, I opened the DAX position 2 days ago. It's still running, Ellen. But it's still okay. The volatility is very, very slow. That's why there is not much to get. The volatility is extremely low due to the holidays in the States. However, I expect the price to drop in the next few hours. No, Ellen, I'm actually not really a swing trader. I prefer the positions to close. But on Monday, when we opened this trade on DAX, I opened it on Monday. It was the birthday of DAX, and so I said I will leave it and see what's happening. I had a hedged position on that, and I made on the other position around $1,600, and this one stayed, remained, and it's okay. No worry, Ellen. Patrick, yes, that's correct. Patrick is saying that he's buying US indices for tomorrow. There is a point tomorrow. I believe the markets will open with a big gap on the US indices after such a holiday. So I see my Italy 40 position. As I said, I have 2 Italy 40 positions right now open. Let's have a look on it together. We sold Italy 40, then the market moved against us and we sold again. So we have 2 sell positions. The one is making money, the other is not yet. We have 1 oil position. It is not moving, really. Oil is not moving much today, but it's okay. We will get there. We just opened a silver position, guys. We are short on silver and we are making already $160. We closed 1 silver position. We had this morning 1 silver position open, and we closed it during the break with a profit of $1,280. Is going well. I'm We are today in a profit. We just closed 2 positions today due to the low volatility, but both positions are in profit, and we are making right now $2,400. Guys, it's a good result, I believe, for 1 day of trading. We have still few positions open: 2 Italy 40 position, 1 oil position, and 1 silver position. The silver position is behaving quite good. So Ellen is asking me about the red line. You are talking about this red line or the red line? I guess you are talking about this red line here, right? I have 2 red lines, right? Yes, this is the MA. This is the moving average 200, and this is the moving average 14. You can see a general trend on these MAs. Yes, it's 214. I don't really trade a lot on them. I have them there to get an orientation, especially the MA 15. No, Ellen, I wouldn't. It's not something that I really use for entering the market. I'm just orienting myself if the price is very close to each other. If I see that the price is very close to between the MA and the Bollinger Band, I know that over there the price will need a bit of time to make the movements. That's why I have it there. You can see it very clearly here. Here, for example, on gold, I know that around this price, it will need some time until it moves against it. This it is. Yes, I'm using the 14 days one. The 200 one was for a test reason I got it. Guys, let me see. I might, now that you are talking, no. Let's say here the 14 and the Bollinger Band is very close to each other, and the price is over there. This is for me a strong support level. I put a sell limit on gold, but the price already seems to drop. Yes, I will short it. I will cancel the limit and short it. Guys, I'm shorting now gold. I'm shorting gold. I don't expect a big profit out of it. Very narrow. The liquidity is very low today. So I will go for 1,254.50. Oh, it's too much, I think. Let's see. Let's see. Get it a bit higher. I moved my take profit on gold to 1,254.70. As I said, I don't expect very big and fast movements, guys, today on gold and silver, but still there is a very small movement, and I try to abuse these small movements to get some money in. I just opened the gold position, and I'm aiming a profit of $1,000 over here. If I see that the price is struggling, I might close it even earlier. Already my silver and my gold position are in profit. I'm making right now $220 on my silver position and $100 in my gold position, which I opened just 1 minute ago. So they move in our direction. It's good. Okay, I see. Silver is making okay. However, let them there to see how they develop, and we might close and make some money on Independence Day. Yes, Ellen, I promised to explain UK 100. I will do that. I'm just right now checking if I should close the gold position. No, I will not close it. Yes, as you know, guys, we have since Monday, this is the indice week. This week, since Monday, I'm explaining every day one indice. On Monday, I explained DAX. It was the birthday of DAX, 30 years DAX trading. Yesterday, I explained Italy 40, and today, upon request of the King George King, I will explain the indice of the Queen. The indice of the Queen, UK 100. Ellen is saying that he wants also a nickname. Well, George has, it's his name. It's George the King, you know. So, let me see. As you know, indices are, hold on, where is, okay, my Italy 40 position is making right now already $148. My silver position is making $200. My gold position is making $200. So if I would close all three positions right now, I would make a profit of around $600 if I would close it right now. Oil got slowly in my direction. My losses on oil, they got quite covered, and this is good. I'm really happy about that. Okay. Let's see, let's run it a bit. We don't, as I said, I don't expect very big profits today due to the low volatility. And let's see. Let's explain first UK 100, and then we see if we close some positions to get some money in. Right, guys? Yes. So, FTSE is also known on the Trade FW platform as UK 100. FTSE stands for the Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 Index. It includes, hey, gold is making $400. Sorry, guys, that I interrupt, but I like to see also what's going on. But okay, I will focus on my FTSE. It includes money first. Yeah. Okay. FTSE 100 includes 100 companies. It's an index. Share index, which includes 100 companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. And they take also here the companies with the highest market capitalization. So this is FTSE 100 shares. You remember on DAX there are 30 shares, on Italy 40 there are 40 shares. On DAX you need to be a German company, not only listed in Germany, also having headquarters in Germany. At Italy 40, it's just most traded shares on the Borsa Italiana. And here with FTSE, it's UK companies. They need to be UK companies. And also here at FTSE 100, they are also weighted. So according to the market capitalization of each company, you get, by the way, we make right now $500 on gold and 280, okay, on silver. On UK 100, it's also weighted according to the market capitalization of each company. The company will get a weight in the FTSE. So a company which has a weight of 10%, because it has a huge market capitalization, has a bigger effect on the FTSE than a share which don't have such a big effect. Gold dropped, by the way. And there are 100 assets in 101 actually in FTSE, because Royal Dutch Shell is listed twice, so it's twice in the UK 100. It's 101 shares, and you can find big companies in there like Royal Bank of Scotland, Rolls-Royce, from different, you will find shares from different sectors. It's not just one sector as in Nasdaq, for example. You will find Vodafone, Barclays. I'm not sure if yes, Barclays is in FTSE 100. Jaguar, Alan is asking me if Jaguar is inside. Jaguar, I think Jaguar is owned by Rolls-Royce, if I'm not mistaken, right? I think Jaguar is owned by Rolls-Royce, or is it Land Rover? I don't know. Who's the holding of Jaguar, guys? Anybody knows? I'm not sure about it. However, it's the Royal Bank of Scotland, Rolls-Royce, Rio Tinto, and a lot of other 100 other companies which are traded in the FTSE. And you will see, for example, the big weighted ones like Lloyd Group or Vodafone. If there is any, or the Unilever is also in the. I had to close gold. It dropped again quite strongly. Unilever is also in the FTSE, and when we have earning releases, this is what the earning releases times are coming up. July, August is the announcement of the second quarter. So there we will see very strongly if there is a highly weighted company announcement and the results are positive, we will see a positive effect on the indices, and we will trade that. We will check. I mean, I don't trade shares on the platform, you know that, but I will closely monitor the earning releases, especially from the high rated ones, and trade those ones on our platform here. This is something which you will see quite often in July and August by how I do it. So this is it mainly at from UK 100. It is also like DAX as well, a relatively old index. It's one of the first indices which were on the markets to be traded. It was developed by the London Stock Exchange, and later on it moved from FTSE 100. It turned to be FTSE 250 index, and it had some development in the past few years. And since 2012, I think, if I'm not mistaken, since 2012, it is in this constellation. And there is a board which they really check the market capitalization, share adjustment factors every month, and according to the situation, they might throw out one share and take a new one in, like it happened the other day with General Electrics. Yes, this is it from UK 100. If you guys want tomorrow another share, now it's the time to say which index you want to get to know tomorrow. Just type it on chat and let me know what you would like to know, and I will inform you guys. In the meantime, our trades on Italy 40, they are developing well. Silver is developing well. Gold made some losses. Right now I had to close the position, but it didn't. Now, there we go. There we go. Our oil position was struggling the whole day long, guys. And now it started to be in money and moving in our direction. It's good. It's good. It's good. And with gold, where is my gold position? I want my gold. Here we go. Gold is here. Italy 40 is here. Silver, let's put silver here, guys. Oh no, now is gold again dropping. And oh man, what's going on, guys? Look at oil. While I was 2 minutes ago in money, now I'm losing again. What's going on? Something is going on. It's the market just moved, just woke up. Italy 40 started to drop also nicely. I like it. I like it. I like it. Silver, okay, silver will get there. Silver has a strong downtrend. I'm not worried about silver. That's why I'm keeping it open. Oil had this bad move. You see this candle on oil, you see that? It was giving us money, and now we are losing again $500 on oil. Okay, it belongs. You know, that's why sometimes I'm getting pissed that I'm talking much and not checking a lot my trades. I should stop talking sometimes, but it was fast and this is nice. However, we like it when it moves fast all day long. It was a bit boring, not moving. You see here, not moving, and now it had kind of move and is nice. And now we are waiting again to get some moves in our direction so we can lock some profits. Yes, Ellen, it was oil which moved so strongly. Now we are looking at gold. Gold was also in money. We were making $500 on gold, and we didn't close it because I was talking as usual. As usual, I was talking. However, I see that Kyriakos would like to update you guys about some trades. I will pass now to Kyriakos and grab the microphone once I see a nice movement and it's time to close some position. So guys, I'm passing to Kyriakos. You're welcome, George. And remember, if you want something, you just tell me which indice you would like to talk about.
So hello guys, I'm here as well, I'm alive, in case you have worried of being quiet. So what we have done for the day, these are the positions we have entered. Good afternoon everybody, good afternoon George, good afternoon Alan, nice to see you, you are back in our live trading room community. The latest position we have opened since the morning is a long position on Euro CAD. Okay, you haven't missed anything. We have just entered an additional long position on Euro CAD, and all the other trades, they are the same as you have watched them in the morning. Now, what we have done today, we have just hit one take profit trade on pound dollar, making $700 minus one, so that's $699 profits. And basically we have opened an additional position long EuroCAD at 152.97 approximately, with a stop loss at 152.80 and a take profit at 153.15. Now our worst performers for the moment is Euro Yen, and you see Euro Yen. Here was our entry level. It never went positive today, and here is our stop loss on the 1 minute chart. If I put the 5 minute chart, you will see it much clearly. This is our long position. There is our stop loss, and we are aiming to get our take profit. And our second worst performer for the day is Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar, we have entered long positions. We have marginally hit stop loss, but the market didn't hit our stop loss and it has recovered a bit. We will see what happens, guys, and this is our take profit target. I will keep these positions overnight. Tomorrow we would place other trades, so I will keep these, let them close either with a profit or with a loss. But tomorrow, don't be surprised to see any long and a short position on euro and dollar with different stop losses and take profits as well. Pound CAD, if I see my euro CAD and dollar CAD positions, Alan, since the dollar CAD, I'm speculating a short position. And since how is pound CAD? It's the derivative of pound dollar and dollar CAD. However, since dollar CAD is the denominator, the decline on dollar CAD most probably will cause a decline on pound CAD. So if I see pound dollar, what is doing? Pound dollar is declining, okay? And dollar CAD, I have entered short positions. It's better to yes, Alan. What is pound CAD? Is the if you take the exchange rate of pound dollar and you divide it by the exchange rate of dollar CAD, you arrive at the exchange rate of pound CAD. This is how the pairs are correlated. So pound CAD basically measures the performance in percentage terms of an increase or a decrease of pound dollar versus dollar CAD. If you do the maths, you arrive at pound CAD rate. So since I'm shorting dollar CAD and pound dollar is declining for the moment, perhaps it's better to go for short positions instead of long ones without watching the chart of pound CAD. Okay, so if the denominator, the dollar CAD, you expect it to decline, it's better to short pound CAD and not long. Okay, so and as we can see, I have entered the short position on dollar CAD. Now, if I'm wrong and dollar CAD continues to go up, then pound CAD, yes, will go up. Okay, so for the moment, it seems for the last few minutes, dollar CAD is rising. So most probably for the last few minutes, pound CAD price will rise. Correct, Alan? I mean, the last 4 or 5 minutes. You see that the pound CAD is rising on the 1 minute chart, yes or no? Yes, so this is because the denominator of the pound CAD is dollar CAD. So if dollar CAD is rising, which in a fraction, which has the most impact, the numerator or the denominator? For pound CAD, the numerator is pound dollar, the denominator is dollar CAD. So the denominator of a fraction has more weight on pound CAD. So if dollar CAD is rising, then pound CAD most probably will rise. But since I'm shorting dollar CAD and I believe that dollar CAD will fall, I will find a good level to short pound CAD and not long. Because on my personal opinion, I believe that dollar CAD will fall. For example, now that you see a red candle on dollar CAD, did you see the same on pound CAD? On the 1 minute chart, Patrick, for example. This is how the correlation of pairs works out. So the euro dollar and euro yen have been our worst performers. And as I said, I'm keeping, of course, Alan, there is absolutely no need to write them. They are available on our YouTube channel. Okay, so if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, let me straight away provide you with our YouTube channel name. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Trademy Trading Academy. And you can watch all these videos and everything that we say recorded, and you can download it on your own PC and review it again and again and again. Now, if you want to have a one-to-one session, for example, on the one-to-one session, Alan, what do we do? I will put pound dollar, dollar yen, pound yen. Why? Because pound yen is the derivative of pound dollar and dollar yen. If we have a one-to-one session, I will put it, these three pairs only, and we will trade based on correlation trading. And you will see how it works actually. But this can be arranged only through a one-to-one session, all right? So we can study the correlations and find the best performing currency pair of the three and trade on it, okay? Because maybe all three are going up or all three are going down, but one will outperform the other two. Okay, this is advanced, Alan. It's not intro course. I think it's either to the pro or to the start trader course. But it's another thing to watch it in the books, and another thing to arrange a one-to-one session with me or with Elif to explain it better how it works. All right. So if you want to arrange a one-to-one session, you know the way by now. You should contact our support team at trademy.com. Tell them exactly what you need and on which instruments, and they will advise you how to proceed to have a one-to-one session. George, it's not about time, it's to get it. If you get it, maybe you get it for the first 5 minutes. And then we spend 1-2 hours seeing it happen. So as soon as you get it, then we will spend 1-2 hours to see it and apply it live on the correlation pairs that we will choose. For example, I can choose euro, dollar, euro CAD, and dollar CAD. Exactly. But this can only happen on one-to-one sessions, guys, and not publicly here. So, so that's all I have for the moment. I repeat that I'm keeping the positions. Maybe you see these positions again tomorrow, and if you don't be surprised tomorrow to have opposite positions. I mean, long and short, Euro Aussie, for example, at the same time. However, the stop losses and the take profits will be in different levels, okay? And we build on that day by day and see how we do. Maybe a website with information for free. It depends what type of information you want, Alan. I mean, then this type of stuff, I don't believe you will find them anywhere free, okay? It's advanced concepts, they need years of experience, that's why we are here. Baby Pips is a good site, but it doesn't explain correlation of currencies, definitely not. Definitely not. I can assure you that. It's a very advanced way of examining. Yes, take your time. I mean, nobody's rushing you, of course. All right. Do you have any other pairs you want to discuss regarding, especially the pairs that they have positions? Do you have any opposite opinions on that? New Zealand CHF. Okay. I will not put New Zealand CHF. I will put New Zealand dollar, which is the denominator, okay? And dollar CHF, we have it. So New Zealand is falling, so we have a smaller denominator. And since I have speculated short on dollar CHF, so in other words, we have the denominator declining and then denominator declining, okay? This means that New Zealand CHF, if, one moment, so New Zealand CHF, if dollar CHF, the denominator, is falling at a faster rate than New Zealand dollar, then New Zealand CHF will crash. So what we observe now on New Zealand, let me put the 1 minute chart, for example. New Zealand dollar for the past 2 minutes is going up. Dollar CHF for the past few minutes is going up. So if I put now New Zealand CHF, and let me put it on the chart in order to see what I'm talking about. New Zealand CHF, let me find it. Crosses maybe. Close. Let me put it on S&P. S&P. So this is New Zealand US CHF. Let me put the 1 minute chart so that you can see clearly what I'm talking about. This one is rising. New Zealand US dollar is falling, but because the dollar CHF, the denominator, was rising, it caused a rise on New Zealand CHF. When you talk about technical analysis, I understand that I don't know anything. Do you think that if I feel like that after 2 months with you, the market is not for me? First of all, George, first of all, if you don't understand something that I'm saying, it doesn't mean that you are not suitable for this profession, first of all. Second, if you have any questions about what I said and you didn't understand, we can arrange a one-to-one session to clarify all the questions and answer any questions you have regarding the technical analysis concepts that I use, okay? And as I said, my methodology is quite different from the most suitable methodology that you might prefer to trade. So you don't need to trade exactly the same way that I'm trading, okay? So somebody else was asking me about the dots that I use. These are parabolics, guys. I use parabolics in order to find earlier trend reversal signals. For example, let me give you an example. Dollar CHF, I have entered a short position here. Why? Because while all the parabolics were below the candles, suddenly I saw one parabolic and then an increasing parabolic above and below nothing. So here it indicates to me that most probably we are entering a short-term downtrend, and that's why I have entered short position. It's another confirmation signal that I use. You don't need to use it, but I'm just using it. Sometimes it's profitable, sometimes it's not. Okay? So we have shorted dollar CHF, suddenly started to go up. Okay? We leave our stop loss as it is. We don't move at the stop loss, and we will see what happens. Euro Aussie, let me go around the pairs. We have entered long positions since the morning. More or less is there, guys. It didn't move. Let me put the 15-minute chart. As Elif said, do you trade based on nominator performance? I only do that, Alan, on denominator performance, not nominator. But I only use this methodology if I'm in between, let's say, shorting pound dollar or pound yen, or long dollar yen and short pound yen. If I have similar pairs and I need to choose from, then I use this methodology, yes, in order to identify the one that will best perform. Okay, but for today, for example, I didn't have this choice. I didn't have this obstacle. I didn't trade it. I haven't traded pound yen because it didn't give me the signal. If both, for example, pound dollar and pound yen gave me a signal, then I will make this process to decide on which of the two I will enter. Okay? So our Euro Aussie trade is more or less where we bought it. Dollar yen, it is slightly above our entry level. This is our entry level. This is our stop loss, and this is our target profit. Aussie dollar, look at that. The whole day, we have shorted it here, has declined, and then nothing, guys. Nothing. But it's making us $480 for the moment. Now, euro dollar and euro yen are our worst performance for the day. The one is losing us $150, the other one around $300. We have missed to hit stop loss here. Lucky, I will say, but sometimes luck is a small factor of success as well. And this is our worst performer for the day, euro yen. Stay there, line of the dead, slowly is going up. We will see what happens. Our dollar cut rate, we have shorted it here. It has marginally hit our take profit, guys, here, but the take profit order was not triggered. So we were lucky on euro dollar and unlucky on dollar cut. Okay, these things happen. We keep our short positions, no worries. And we have shorted dollar CHF as well. And as you can see, this resistance zone here holds very well for the moment. Okay. And we went long euro cut at this level. Currently is doing well. And basically that's it. That's all we have done for the moment. We will keep you updated if we have any further developments. I don't believe we will have any further trades. Besides that, for today, a quiet day, we have traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs, guys. We have traded 9 pairs. For a quiet day like this is more than enough. And another advice, when a trade closes either with a profit or with a loss, just forget about this pair. For example, I hit take profit on pound dollar for today, forget about it tomorrow. I hit stop loss on euro dollar for today, forget about it tomorrow again. So don't put yourself into the risk of buying it, going down, buying it again. There are not amazing opportunities, Alan. I mean, you have made your analysis, you place your trade, you will either hit stop loss or take profit. If you insist and if for example, euro dollar now hits me stop loss and it falls down and I buy it again and I hit against stop loss and I buy it again and I hit against stop loss, I'm going against the markets. I don't have a clear mind and that's against my will. Okay, so amazing opportunities. We had 9 amazing opportunities today. For me, all the opportunities amazing. However, some of them will hit take profit and some of them will hit stop loss. Okay, so just accept the profits, accept the losses. Don't get passionate. Don't fall in love with pairs, guys. Don't say, I love euro dollar, I will buy it. Oh, I love euro yen, I will short it. No, whatever it moves and you believe that you have an opportunity, you trade it. That's all I wanted to say for the moment. And guys, we will see tomorrow. You love Nasdaq. All right. I love food, Patrick, and you can see that I love food. I love to eat. You are divorcing Italy. Okay. Elif will not like that. If I tell her that. She's the queen of Italy. Don't worry. So it likes divorcing Elif. All right. So that's all we have for the moment. Okay, between us, but she already knows and she's signaling me to transfer the controls. So Alan, good luck. I'm giving you a lift now.
Hey, hello, Ellen. I'm back. So, news from Italy 40, guys. Italy 40 is moving in our direction. As you can see over here, some of us are some of us are a bit disappointed about Italy 40, while Italy 40 is giving me right now $500, and I still stick on it to go short. As you see here, I have my take profit at 21,343. I still have my take profit over there, and I believe I will hit my take profit and I will make a profit around $1,000 here. I'm a bit disappointed by the gold position. It moved strongly against me. It moved strongly against me. As you see, we had a nice profit of $500 and then it moved against me, but I believe it will jump back again. It looks like it goes very close to the middle Bollinger Band, and then I believe it will start dropping, and I will enter over there again a sell position. I will increase my exposure. On silver, we have the same picture, but also there I will I might not open on silver again a position, but also here it moves against me, and okay. It happens, it belongs to the game, whatever. We get over it. It's not a big deal. So I'm very happy about DAX. DAX was trading the last few days. We opened the position on Monday. Since Monday, we have this position open. You know me, normally I don't keep for so many days my positions open, but DAX I kept. And as you see, it started to move downwards and my losses are getting smaller. So I'm quite happy about it and it will work. Gold is developing quite strongly against me. However, it's okay. I leave it to go up to 1,260, and then max, I believe it will turn and we will make some profits here. I see that George is making money on Dow Jones. Oh, very nice. You had a very nice drop downwards. Well, it's a nice trade, but as we talked, great. As we talked this morning, no, when this session started, I told you guys it's a very narrow trading range around the middle Bollinger Band and the MA, and for me it was not a clear decision if it will go up or down. That's why I didn't put any trade on the US indices today, and that it dropped. I believe it was Don't take it personally, George, but I think it was more luck than a clear trading strategy behind. Don't take it personally, George. It's just what I see from my chart here. It's like no clear decision, no clear direction. It just happened. That's why I was out of it and I didn't trade on it. It's fair enough. Our Italy 40 position started to make money, guys. Both positions are in money right now. We are making on the Italy 40 positions together around $670. It's good, and I believe it will move a bit lower and we will make some money on these trades. Except of this, I will stick on my trades. I will not close any losing position right now. On gold, I have to be really on top of it to see if I hedge it or how I will handle my gold position, which causes me some headache right now. Apart from this, tomorrow I will start explaining the US indices. I will start with the Dow Jones, and then I will explain Nasdaq and S&P 500, and then we see if we will have some days left to explain also maybe Japan 225. So I see that Kyriakos would like to inform you about something. See you in a short while, guys.
So hello guys again. We had a sudden increase, a sudden jump up on the euro pairs, and suddenly our account now is almost $1,000 in profit. And we see now this increase, sudden increase on the 5-minute chart of on euro dollar. You see that, and this has also drive with it the euro cut. However, now it's falling to the opposite direction. So we will closely monitor that and see what happens. So dollar cut now, guys, is declining a lot. Why? Because euro dollar is going up and euro cut is not going up as fast as euro dollar. So this is euro cut. So we are approaching our take profit on euro cut. The take profit level is at 153.15. We are just 10 pips away. It will be difficult, but I believe we will get it at the end, guys, because it's slowly accumulating. So, and if euro dollar continues to go up, eventually it will drive as well euro cut with it. So euro dollar, you see, suddenly we have a break to the upside, and actually this is the first time that our trade since the morning turned positive. So that's what patience is all about, and never panic. Now again, our worst performance remains euro yen, but as you can see, we are approaching as well here our entry level price. For some reason, suddenly the euro pairs started to go up as expected. Let's hope that this trend will continue and eventually get some profits, some additional profits before the end of today's trading session. I repeat that whatever it happens, I'm keeping these trades for today overnight, and tomorrow we will place most probably new trades. Okay, if they are open, we will add on them. Okay, so let's see what happens. You see, suddenly euro, let me put 5-minute chart so that you can understand the difference. So euro Aussie suddenly started to go up, bam bam, with these 5-minute candles for some reason. Dollar yen, not big movements. Aussie dollar, no big movement. Euro dollar, you see the euro pairs, what they did on the 5-minute chart. Suddenly they started to go up. Of course, we will see what happens. Euro yen, the same patterns. And dollar cut tried to move up, but eventually This is our take profit order. It reached there, now it's falling back a bit. Anyway, we will see what happens. The reason I have requested the controls from Elif is because EuroCAD is a very volatile pair. I thought that we will hit it shortly, but it seems that I was mistaken. Now it's trying again to hit our take profit target. We are monitoring that. We will see how it does. So basically we are looking for a 153.15 price to get triggered. Elif, do you want to say anything, or shall we stay and see EuroCAD? Okay, if you want anything, you can interrupt me at any time. So we are monitoring EuroCAD. Is just now 9 pips away from our take profit level, 153.15. Just 8 pips away. Come on, do the break. We want these trades, we want these profits, we want all the profits, of course, but so it's getting there, guys. I think any minute now we need to break above this high, and I like this hovering here. I like it a lot. Usually it goes boom with power above. Let's see on the 1 minute chart. Okay, it's going up. Come on, make the break. Okay. Okay, guys, we are waiting now for the... What do you mean now, George? Now or never? To enter it now, you will get it at a worse price than we did. Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif. She has an update.
Guys, with my Italy 40 position, I told you we will make money, and Ellen wanted to divorce me because of Italy 40. Guys, I'm right now close to close my positions, and I closed 700 and 300 here. Okay, guys, on Italy 40, guys, we made on Italy 40. Look at that. Look at that. Ellen, how much we made on Italy 40? Please tell me how much we made on Italy 40. No, not just $765. It's just one position. We made $1,130 on 2 positions on Italy 40, please. Ching, ching. So right now, for the trades of today until now, we are making $3,500 on overall on our trade. So thank you very much, guys. I'm passing to Kyriakos, and I will keep you updated what's going on with the rest. So Ellen, I think you will not divorce Italy 40. Please, Kyriakos.
I told you, Alan, be careful what you say, and you didn't listen to me. Anyway, so guys, basically we are watching EuroCAD. Excellent. So somebody was asking me if he can follow our trade on EuroCAD. Guys, it's absolutely to your discretion. Just a kind reminder that if you see there a positive sign, it means that you will get it at the worst entry level price that we did. What does this mean? It means that if you place the stop loss and the take profits exactly as we do, you will be in a worse position. Okay? So you can do whatever you want. You can follow us now or you can follow us later, but have in mind that generally speaking, if you see a positive sign there, it means that you will get it at a worse price than we did. Okay? So currently our profits are meandering around $900 and $1,000. Hopefully we are lucky enough to see the EuroCAD closing live in front of your eyes. We didn't see the closure of pound dollar recorded, so hopefully we see at least EuroCAD is very close to our take profit level. Is at 153.15. It's troubling us a bit. Yes, George, I always put stop loss and take profit. For the moment, Alan, they are, but you never know, okay? That's why you see me so conservative, okay? Because I know that at any minute, anything can change, okay? So for the moment, we are doing okay. We are happy, we are patient, we are keeping our discipline, we are not getting too excited, we are not getting too depressed, okay? Losses and profits are always part of the game. And I always put stop loss and take profits, always. I never leave a trade naked, okay, since the past 13 years, okay? And I will repeat it. It doesn't matter what is the success rate of your trading system. If, let's say, you have a success rate of 90%, so this means that 9 out of 10 trades are profitable, but your money management is bad, you will lose money. If, for example, you go for +2 but you risk 8 or 9, you will not make money at the end. But if your success rate of a trading system, let's say it's 30%, but at the same time you risk 3 to get 7 or 8, eventually at the end you will make money. Okay? What do you mean, Alan? Even if you are trading live, what do you mean by that? I always, yes. You see, now I'm trading live in front of you guys. I mean, we open these positions in the morning together, and I always put a stop loss and I take profit. A stop loss and always. Never. Do you know how many times the market hit my stop loss and then went in the direction I wanted it, or marginally hit my take profit? Like, for example, dollar CAD, okay? This is our take profit. It marginally hit it. I was unlucky here. I was lucky on euro dollar. See my stop loss, it was not triggered. So in the long run, this luck factor will balance your performance. Okay, so personally, I always put stop loss and take profit because you don't know what will happen throughout the night, for example. Okay, and as I said, okay, we are watching now EuroCAD. Let's see if it will close. Our position is just 4 pips away, and this will be live now during our live trading room. As I said, if you are trading Forex, my advice is to always use stop loss and take profit. But your stop loss levels and your take profit levels should not be put mechanically. You need to make your trend analysis, your support and resistance levels, and place them correctly at the level where they should be. Not just, okay, I enter the market, 10 pips stop loss, 20 pips take profit. Risk reward 1 to 2, I'm great. Kyriakos told me that I'm great. No, it's not that simple. So you must carefully study the charts, place the stop loss at the correct levels they should be placed, enter the market at the correct price, and place your take profit at the correct level. Okay, so all the parameters have an important role when you are trading Forex. So it's not just, okay, long euro dollar, 10 pips stop loss, take profit 20 pips. Risk management 1 to 2 is more than 1 to 1. Okay, I'm fine. It's not that simple. All right. Okay, guys. Any other questions you would like to ask me regarding Forex trading? Any other? It's definitely not simple. And Forex, for me, is one of the most difficult financial instruments to trade. Why? Because it doesn't have volatility. I mean, the average volatility of a Forex pair is 0.4 to 0.7%. What kills traders is leverage. And since we have mentioned leverage, we would like to mention that from the 2nd of August, the leverage for all majors will drop down to 30 times max. So this means that you need to decrease your position sizes, guys, or increase the deposit. If you want to trade with the existing position sizes you are trading, you need to deposit more funds to your trading accounts, okay? What do I mean? If, for example, with TradeFW, to open 3 lots, you need 1% margin requirement. This means that you need $3,000. With 30% leverage, it means that you will need much more. I mean, you will need 30 times that. So to trade 3 lots, okay? So either you increase your deposits or you cut down your position sizes. This will happen from the 2nd of August onwards, guys. So we are monitoring EuroCAD. Is getting boring, I know it, but the current market conditions today, okay, are not offering great volatility. George, you say I'm in dollar CAD short 131.45, more or less at the level where we got it. N is losing. Do you think it will go down? Should I wait? What should I do with my position? George, I have shorted it. I believe it will go down. Otherwise, if I didn't believe, I wouldn't have shorted it. And I have placed my stop loss, as you can see, at 131.72. This is the where you should place your stop loss. Now, I will repeat that, George, and to all of you guys. If you don't feel comfortable, or if you have opened a bigger position than what you should, and you don't feel comfortable, you can close your trades at any time. My stop loss is at 1.3172, and based on my account size, I'm risking $490. Maybe $490 for you is too much. And if you have opened the same position, the same size as I did, maybe you don't withstand this huge loss. So what you do? Either you decrease your position, you close partially some of your trades, you close partially your position, not all the position. If, for example, you have opened 3 lots, you can double click here, put the number 2 here, and click close. This means that you will close 2 and you will stay with 1. And you can leave the stop loss as it is. So I believe that it will go down. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. The only responsible for the money management and the risk management of your accounts, guys, is you. Okay, some of the trades are profitable, some of the trades are not. Okay, George? So it's up to you to decide what to do. It's up to you. Okay, what position size have you entered, George, on dollar CAD? 5 lots. 5 lots means that you are risking around $700, right? If you hit stop loss at 131.72, it should be around $700. Am I correct? No, if you hit stop loss at 131.72, I'm risking $500. You didn't put stop loss. All right. No, you should. You should put stop loss. You must always put stop loss, because if it go against you, you can't do anything to stop it, okay? So, guys, I will repeat that always. This is what I was doing when you asked me, okay? Make sure you put your stop losses. Okay, guys, we are just 4 pips away from our take profit on EuroCAD. Come on, let's see if it will break now this top on the 1 minute chart. We are just 4 pips, as you can see here, at 153.15, and our take profit is 153.11. And you see how difficult it is to get 4 pips today's market conditions. We are just 4 pips away. Come on, EuroCAD, we want to see you live. So this is our profit, $413. And this is our risk, $385. Okay, guys, most probably we will not see it live. Elif, if you want to interrupt me at any time, you can. We are approaching, of course, at the end of the trading session for today. As I said, I'm keeping these positions. You will see them again tomorrow. Those who survive, we will evaluate our performance tomorrow and see what happened. And then we will continue trading, guys. Nothing. All right. So that's all we have for the moment. Thank you very much for your participation. Let me go a quick round and see what the other trades are doing. So Euro-Aussie, we have entered long positions. It started to move towards our direction. Dollar-Yen, we have entered long positions. Didn't move, slightly above our entry level. Aussie dollar short positions didn't move, slightly below our entry level within the money, making us around $500. Euro dollar, it has turned positive this trade for the first time a few minutes ago. That's a good sign. Euro yen still is our worst performer, but now is competing with dollar CHF. We have, of course, minimized the losses here. Dollar CAD, we have entered the short position. Now is approaching our entry level price. We will see what it will do. Dollar CHF, guys, has declined as now is rebounding above. Let me see the 5-minute chart. We don't want this resistance level to break, and I don't believe it will break it. Of course, we will see. EuroCAD, as we said, we have entered long positions very close to our take profit level. And that's all we had for the day. Currently, our profits are a bit above $1,000, $1,140 now. That's all, guys, for the moment. Elif, you have anything to say, or it's okay? So that's all for today. We are keeping these positions. We would like to personally, me and Elif, thank you for your participation. Great pleasure to have you guys all here. And we would like to thank you for your participation, and we will see you again tomorrow as usual at 8 o'clock UTC time. We are just 3 pips away from our take profit. Unfortunately, we will not see this trade happening live. Let's see now. It's trying again. We are just 3 pips away, guys. Let's wait a bit more, monitoring the markets. Anyway, you will see tomorrow closed, either with a profit or with a loss. All right, I would like to thank you very much for your participation, and have a nice day ahead. And we will see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning UTC time, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. From me and Elif, have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.